Hello, welcome there. We are back with another tutorial for our Figma to Elementor Converter plugin. So this will be a full guide for using this plugin. You have to follow everything on this video to get a good result from your Figma to WordPress conversion. Okay. So here you can see the Figma screen. You need to find the plugin and add to your workspace. Then you can see the interface. Here you need to log in first. So I already logged in. If you logged in once, it will automatically load again. Okay, so here you will see the interface. Here already some tips that says for large pages select smaller sections for faster and more reliable AI conversion, because AI need to be analyze the data, then write the code for you. So it have to response in context area. Like if it has 20,000 context limit and you give the input like 25,000, that will be cause an error. Okay, so that's why we need to use a small area. Like let's select the name menu from here. Oh, also another thing, you need to organize everything very clearly. Like here you can see on this document, you can see all things are organized by it has a parent, then inside have some children. Okay, so once you clicked and select an area, you will see this one. Okay, so you can click convert with AI. It will analyze the layout first, then an AI agent will send data to another agent. This agent will analyze the data from first AI and it will respond. Okay, it could take some time because it need to be analyzed and write the code. So let's see what will return. Okay, we got our response here. Let's copy this, go to this our editors. Let's create the page Figma to Elementor, right? Okay, let's edit the interface here at the title. You can use the canvas like Elementor canvas to have a full with freedom. Okay, so right click here and select paste from other site, Control V. Here we go, we have this nav menu for the image. This is actually a vector, so it's not an image, that's why there is an issue. So you can click on that things like only this vector, you can download it as logo. Here is a logo. Okay, then on the editor click on this, choose an image, and you can upload that logo from here. Sorry, it will be under download. Here is our logo. Okay, select that, we are ready to go. Okay, you can do your other adjustment as far as your need. Okay, then let's go to the next section. This is a very simple section. You can just convert it with AI. It will give you the font size and the area. Let's see what happened with this. Okay, copy that, paste it here, Control V. Here we go. This is with the full text, but we have a background. Sometimes AI can respond in wrong, so you can adjust these things, very simple things. See, if font doesn't match, it will use a default font. You can adjust the padding here, like you can change to this actually 120 pixel padding, but we can say 80 pixel. So let's go here and say this one. Okay, we just select this one, so it has some content and the busy image. The problem is the image set here is a fill image, so it won't use as a image, but it will take entire section as a image. Let's see what AI will respond. This is 90% depends on the AI response. We have some our own algorithm here, but the final output is from the AI. Okay, so let me show the trick here for you. Control V. So you see we are doing faster WordPress Elementor development. You see this content is here, but busy is not here. So let me show you a trick for that. Again, we have to go to here, and we can just remove this text, just delete it and double click it. It will show here, then just download it. Okay, it's a top hero busy. Okay, then here you can select and upload the busy. Here top hero busy, here you go. Then you can position it center, and if it is no repeat, and you can make it cover. Here you go. Okay, very easy. Then here you see this section. Here is 1 2 3 4, but both are same, just it's repeated content. So you can do like select first one and the second one by holding shift, and it will show here. We can make them as a group, Control Z, so it will make a group. That will be easier. You can see this, then convert with AI. So we can select entire area, but it will may cause error with the AI. That could cause an error. That's why we just creating these two. We can add padding, we can repeat this and change the text. Okay, it will be easier. Let's see what happened. We got the response. Copy this, paste from other side, Control B. Here you go. We have this, but you see this busy is same as on the entire screen we show, but we can do a trick. We can select this, and from the style remove the busy, and with the same thing we can do this thing like select, delete the text, and just select the area so you can download the image. Okay, just select the single one, it will be here. Don't know why this one. then this one. Okay, we have the image, then download, like in info 2, we can select this. Actually we can just hide these things, like hide this and select and reselect, then download. Okay, info 1, then you can unhide this. Also you can control Z to get back to the original state. Okay, then let's go here in our story. This is our story, this is the column, and the column has this busy. You can upload info image 1, info image 2, so we will use the info image 1 here. Okay, this is done. We can make it center, we can make it cover, then copy the style and paste it here. Very simple, just paste a style and select this media. Here we are ready to go. With same, we can duplicate this and add the other image. You can edit this, you can add the link here, very easy. Okay, let's keep it as it is now. Let's click on this and convert it AI. This is all everything in real time, so there is no quick forward or there is pause and play. So what I am doing is totally real time. So if you have a page like this content, what is take only 5 to 10 minutes to convert, but if you do it manually it will take more than 2-3 hours. Okay, here we go, copy this, paste it here, control B. Okay, here is this. Here everything is good, just see the busy. We need to change that. Even let me show you a magic, but we can add this image, but it won't be clickable, so that's why we will remove that image and we will upload from here. So again same trick, go here and the intersection, hide that, select the parent one and download. Resistive busy. Okay, then unhide that. Very quick and simple, and you can upload it here, then select. Here you go, you can change this setting to the center adjustment. Skip this, if it is equal to no defeat, and base this as a cover. Okay, very good. We have this last one, the footer one. Okay, here we go, convert the AI. Meanwhile I can show you to increase the button size. You can adjust this size, like here we go, you can see the border radius, you can see the padding, you can reduce it like 20, and you can increase here 60 and thus 60. Very nice. Or you can do it 100 and 100, and if we can reduce it to 15. It's look nicer now. Okay, you can set the link here. Let Okay, got this response, copy, then Just from other side. So here we go. Need some adjustment, I think. This is good, but we need to download this logo, the J black logo. Okay, download BLCK black logo. Then we can replace it from here. Upload black logo. Open. Okay, here we go. It will be there. Then this has a break, but we can put it manually, something like just put beer tag. Okay, this is good. Now we can adjust the typography and the line height here, like reduce some line height, and here is a maybe some busy, just remove that, then we are good to go. Okay, our site is ready within 10 minutes. Let us know if you have any traveling, any problem on the YouTube comment center. We will help you directly. You can publish it. Let me show you the preview. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We have this live site. Okay, see, it's ready. Thank you.